Hello, my name is Day, and I have just finished and completed my YTT 300 here at Vinyasa Yogashala in Rishikesh. The first thing I want to say is the teachers. Having been a yoga instructor for the last 9.5 years in Canada, I have met a lot of people, and the teachers here are incredibly knowledgeable and gifted in their field of expertise and compassionate. They want you to know more, and they want you to learn, they want you to grow, and everyone here is like a family, down to earth, very, very humble. Yeah, actually more than I even would have thought in the beginning when I first came here, and I originally enrolled in another school that didn't fit my needs. So when I came here 5 days into the course already starting, I was more than pleasantly surprised by the teachings, and specifically because I had chosen multidiscipline YTT such as Hatha, Ashtanga, and Vinyasa. So I gained a lot of information on the 3 different styles, and also learned a lot through philosophy. Philosophy teacher's amazing, as well as anatomy. The anatomy was way beyond even what I could dream. So I would highly, highly recommend, when you look through all those schools on the internet and it takes you months, weeks to find something, the Vinyasa Yogashala really does meet the needs of what you're looking for. And they're kind, they're hospitable, and very, very humble people. Amazing place to go.